Learn how to make money with a blog just like I earn here with AdSense in Zambia. So you want to end up joining the blogging culture in Zambia? Okay, by reading this post, you'll have taken the biggest step to start a blog that will help you and your family earn a living in Zambia. I've been blogging for the past 8 years as my primary, full-time, source of income. It's been a long, hard journey. Making money online is hard, but over the past few years, after successful blogging, I've managed to launch a successful blog that has ensured I can leave the 9-to-5 and spend more time with my family and start creating a lifestyle that I'm satisfied with. Don't get me wrong, I made a lot of mistakes along the way, but it became much easier and more enjoyable once I realized what I was doing. Many of my friends have sent me an email or called me to find out more about what Jamie does, but at first it can be a bit difficult to delve into how you can actually make a real income from running a successful blogs. So I decided to create this guide for my friends, family, email subscribers and anyone else who would like to start doing what Jamie does. This guide to making a blog money is entirely free. I don't want anything for it. Only so many of my friends would love to do it, but give up too soon, often when their big breakthrough might just be a few weeks away. The guide is quite long and there are plenty of links on this blog to other sites as well as to other blogs that will support you, so please make sure to bookmark this page. I hope you enjoy reading this guide as much as I wrote it. How much do bloggers earn in Zambia? If you're trying to add a little extra to your income to pay for some fun treats or build a blog that helps your lifestyle and allows you to blog full-time, you can make as much money as you want from blogging if you're willing to get into the hard work. How to pick a profitable blog niche in Zambia. That is the most critical step forward. Definitely bad. There's no point starting a blog without a mission that you want to make money from. Outside there are thousands of niches. Many of them are large and enormous, some are small, and almost unknown. Many niches are better than others to make money in. Monetizing a website is important, and it is vital to pick the right niche, and one that should be well thought out. It is for this purpose that your research is important. A good starting point when you're picking a niche is looking at your own Google interests. For starters, a couple of years ago I actually launched a blog in the survival niche which I sold for a huge profit. I created this blog because I love being outdoors, hiking, mountain biking, etc. I watch a lot of television shows featuring people like Bear Grylls and Rainz too. I am no expert but I like it. One place I never really came across with my blog about survival and wanted to be was everyday carry. Most people may never have heard of this term, but in this niche it is really a fascinating sub-niche. Everyday carry is simply something that you can't leave the house with. It will be our wallet, phone and keys for most of us, and hopefully some sunglasses in the summer months. You that have a laptop or tablet with you if you are commuting a lot for work. If you are working on a construction site, you may have an instrument belt. However, it's about getting everything you may need in an emergency or for general use with you at all times for many people who are still prepared to bring every day. Often this will include a light source, torch, a pocket knife, some small tools and rope. It's quite amazing how easy it is to carry all these things in your pockets, on your keys or in a small bag with you.